Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring basic hardware works: power, keyboard, and display. Once done, trigger Windows recovery by forcing 3 interrupted boots. Power on until Windows begins, then hold power 5-10 seconds to cut it off. Repeat twice more. This causes automatic repair to load. Make sure to let the system reach the repair screen. When you see automatic repair or preparing automatic repair, select advanced options. You're initiating a safe environment, so Windows can adjust boot settings without relying on the broken GUI. From advanced options, choose troubleshoot, then advanced options and open startup settings. These controls let you change how Windows boots. Once you pick startup settings, click restart. After the restart, you'll see numbered options. Press 4 to enter safe mode or press 5 for safe mode with networking. Use the keyboard to select the number. If it doesn't register, switch to a different USB port or use a wired keyboard. This method forces Windows to load minimal drivers, so you can diagnose or uninstall problematic drivers or updates. After safe mode loads, sign in with your usual account. You'll notice simplified graphics because Windows uses basic drivers. This is intentional so you can remove faulty drivers, run system restore, or run sfc/scano to fix system files. Once you finish repairs, restart the PC to boot normally. If safe mode fails to appear or the screen remains black, use one key troubleshooting tip. Create a Windows 10 recovery USB on another computer, boot from it, and run startup repair or reinstall while preserving files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.